Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can remove green screen in Kdenlive. To begin with, I'm going to add my videos to a project bin in Kdenlive. Just drag and drop them like this. And next I'm going to add my background video to video track 1. And next add my green screen video to video track 2. Now I can see the green screen video is a little longer in time, so just adjust the duration to match both videos like this. And next we have to go ahead and remove this green screen. To do that, we have to navigate here to Effects, and in the search box type in Chroma Key and find this effect called Chroma Key Advanced. Now drag and drop this effect on the video in video track 2, so basically on the green screen video. And once you select the green screen video, you should see these settings opening here. Now I can see the green screen has now been removed, but if in your case you're still seeing the green screen, make sure you select this picker and select the green color on your video. Once you select the green color, you should see the same view like this. But if you still see a little bit of an outline, a green outline around any of the objects on your video, for example here I can see the green outline on the saucer. So to get rid of this outline, I have to adjust these settings here on these sliders. So I'm going to go ahead and increase these settings a little until the green outline is gone. Okay, this looks a lot better. And just make sure you don't overdo some of these settings. So for example, if I take this green chroma effect and bring it up to 1000, now you can see I'm losing pixels, and this is not ideal. So just keep an eye on the objects once you're adjusting these settings to make sure you're not damaging the project. Okay, so now I'm quite happy with the quality of this effect. And now if I also want to resize this saucer, I have to go here to Effects and find an effect called Transform. Now drag and drop this effect on the green screen video in video track 2. So I'm going to close the Chroma Key Advanced setting, and here in Transform now you can adjust the size of your green screen video. So here on the screen you can see these little red dots. So if I just left click any one of them, I can adjust the size of this video, so basically of this object. And if I left click here, I can actually move it around and position whatever I want it to be. So let's say I'll place the saucer around this area. And now if I play this video, you can see the final effect. So now I'm ready to go ahead and render the project, and that's all. So I hope this was useful, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.